Hey everybody. So I'm going to go over a little bit of Bitcoin on kind of where the next level is as long as we break through where we're at now, which it does look like we're about to do that. So on the MACD, on the weekly, we're passing through the zero line. The last times that we've actually passed through the zero line was, you know, right around here, this level. And then, yeah, right around here. And then the other time was right around here. And then we had this time that was over here, which was a very, very big move. So we could be experiencing something more like this over here, pushing us up, between 34 and 37, 38. So that would be your next resistance level. We did consolidate right under this resistance level, and we've popped through so far, creating a new high. So there's a really good chance that this actually continues up here. We are overbought on the weekly. However, we can stay overbought for a really long time. Like for this example was we were overbought from November 2020 all the way to January 2021. So you can be overbought for quite a while. If we go down to like smaller time frames and we look at the daily, you've got a daily cross here. So this has plenty of room to the upside, and then the stochastic still looks pretty good as well, or the RSI looks pretty good as well. MACD, the only problem here, we need to really pass through this and create a green histogram, but that won't happen until tomorrow as long as we get some green price action. But I just really like this consolidation and this breakthrough here. So, maybe we come back down to retest, but I think the higher probability is to actually make it up in this box, especially if we pass the top of this 31,000 level. We can look at the monthly, and this is kind of where I got the resistance levels. So you've got several wicks down here, and then the next level is more touches of the candles, and everything's pretty much support and resistance, and then as also the stochastic RSI. I mean, it passed through the 20 line quite a while ago. Now we're just trying to judge, where is this going to stop? And if you look at the MACD on the monthly, these two lines, whenever they touch each other, it's some resistance. So whenever that happens, maybe in the next month or two, that's when I would think there would be a pullback. We'll have to reevaluate whenever we get there. But I do think there's a couple more months to the upside. And only time's going to tell kind of where we end up. But if we do break where we're at now, I do expect this next box to be hit. And then we'll probably go into some kind of a pullback shortly after that. Could it go higher than this? Yes. We're just going to have to look at indicators if we even get up there at that point in time. But I would expect to see some kind of bearish divergence or something like that. And right now, I mean, the only bearish divergence that's there currently is on this 3-day, and it looks like we're actually about to break through it. Yeah, it does look like we've already broken through it. So we might have one good sized pop up here and then some kind of pullback. What could happen in that case? I mean, if we pull back from here, there's just a lot of things that can happen. We can come all the way back down to here. It could take 6 months of consolidation. There's just a lot of different things. And in the Patreon, I chart this 3 times a week. So that's all I've got to cover for today. If you have any questions, post them in the comments. I can do like some kind of a video on that on the next one.